Hey guys, Thunder E here, and we have a very different video for you. I put out a call on Twitter asking for some help to shoot in New York City. A few of you responded, and Henry was the one who actually responded first. So he's actually gonna be helping me in this video, but here's the catch. He has no idea what he's doing. He's thinking he might be helping me shoot around New York City, but he's actually gonna be testing out the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. And this video is all about his thoughts on the phone, but exactly right now, he has no idea. So we're gonna go meet up with Henry, and let's go ahead and surprise him. All right, so we just got here to Fifth Avenue. We're gonna meet up with Henry, and he's gonna be excited because he has no idea what we're filming today. So let's go. So today, you're gonna be testing out a smartphone. And wait, what phone do you use right now?
Yeah, iPhone 10R.
Okay, 10R. All right, cool. So yeah, you might be excited about this one. Mate 20 Pro.
My God.
Yeah,
Really?
yeah. So today's basically this. You're gonna be testing it out. You're going to take photos, load your stuff, and then you let people know what you think about the phone. Not me, you. All right, so we spent the day with Henry here. He's been using the Mate 20 Pro. Again, it's all his videos, so he's making all the thoughts. So what do you think? What did you think about this device? We've been taking photos, some video, you've used it, battery life. Let's start with that.
Impressive. I must say that the battery life has been ridiculous. It's 69%, and I've used it for the last 5 hours, I would say.
Yeah,
5 hours.
Yeah.
So from 100% to 69, and doing in reversed wireless charging on this thing,
Yeah,
I would say it's beyond amazing at this point.
You should have seen his face though. He was shocked. It actually worked. Granted, it worked more for me than him. I don't know why, but yeah, that's all.
It's a phone that charges other phones.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
What about the camera? What do you think?
The camera, I think, is one of the highlights of this phone. It has 3 cameras in the back and has 1 in the front. And the selfie camera and the 3 cameras in the back are just, it's uniform. It's very concise, and it does amazing shots on auto. Not manual, not pro. I'm not a pro by any means, but it takes amazing shots just on its own. And it has a pro mode, which is a plus in some cases, because you do have photographer. I do have photographer friends who be able to utilize the pro part of this, but in terms of just taking auto shots, I would say it's probably the top phone this year. Okay. And I've used a lot of phones.
All right. I mean, I didn't want you to actually state that, but that's what you like.
Yeah.
So you like the device, and I want to say thank you for spending time to actually do this video for us.
Right.
Here's the kicker though. Here's the kicker.
you spent the whole day with this device, and you've used it. He's put in all his data, he checked his email and all that stuff. He didn't put his bank information. Ah, man. But here's the cool thing. Huawei says this is yours.
No way.
Yes?
No
It is
way.
yours.
Really?
So yeah, here's the box.
You're kidding me.
I'm serious, man.
You literally had this box in his pocket the whole day. And I was just like, you're happy to see me, but I guess not.
No.
You must be happy to see me. I'm surprised. This is great. It's an amazing phone, and I must say, and I told him before that this might be phone of the year for 2018.
Yeah.
And I'm not joking. And I've used a number of phones in my lifetime, and I must say that this camera, battery life, and this overall user experience has just been ridiculously good.
Cool, man. Well, enjoy. Thank you very much for
Thank you.
spending the whole day.
No
At
worries.
least some of the day doing this. Thank you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or any comments, let us know. If you want to get some more insight from Henry, I'll put up his Twitter handle. You can ask him questions. He has photos. He will post up videos as well. We'll share some of that as well for you. And you can hear his thoughts. And look, it's not me, it's him. Like, he can say whatever he wants to. Like, that's not my own problem. But again, thank you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Follow Henry on Twitter. And if you want to pick up the Mate 20 Pro, use the link down below, because you know what, he thinks is awesome. I do too. And always enjoy your entertainment.
Well, what I said is actually how I felt about the phone. I mean, I could have said it sucked, but I'm completely blown away. I'm like, it totally makes my 10R like last year's technology.
Damn.
It's like the other side of the world.
Like, yo, bro, like, yo, it's like, yo, you're recording this.
Don't
I know you
record.
are.